Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Get the man beat the dog there, boy.
Hey, what's his RAVI? Come into the board. The body is jump bad. Watch he put the stick there then.
Yes, he moving more, but he ran.
No, I say watch he put the stick, he's got the stick.
Four.
Cracker.
One.
Five.
Yeah, Drakes.
Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 20, 21, 22, 23,
There is this board.
24, 25, 26,
Black sea, that's what the way out.
27,
Or cage wet, instead of a cage wet.
28,
Black sea, that's what the way out.
29,
Comfortable, so about shaking.
30,
Wet the cage up. Or feel like you have been really fluffy in the
31,
Say again.
32,
Finish.
33, 34, 35,
You board ready, right? Good. Just now, next 2 minutes. Yeah.
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45,
4:15, right? 4:15. 4:15.
Very good, good time.
You're after. Nice. 4:15.
Fellas,
first of all, I must welcome and thank everybody for being out here this morning. Right? It was a nice event. It was between the BERBICE team and All Star, right? Bird Club. Now we had 6 races. Out of the 6 races, we had one of the race was a match race. Was between Bella and Anwar, right? So the first race was between David versus Ajay, and the winner there is David, right? So we already passed on the money and everything already. The second race was between Bella versus Anwar, and the winner there is Anwar, right? So Bella.
And Anwar will change the title.
Yeah, Anwar, what camera?
Not forget him.
Yeah. So yeah, left there. The next race was between Xiaomin Man versus Stuki, and the winner there is Stuki. The other race was DRAKES versus who this like? Ravi, and the winner there is DRAKES. And I think the second to last race is Chanel versus Dinesh, and the winner there is Dinesh. And the final race was between Rasateri and Anwell, and the winner is Rasateri. Right? And we get, yeah, we also have a trophy there for the fastest board, and that goes to Anwar. So Bella will be doing that presentation.
And Anwar. Sorry. Why the camera there?
So we had 5 races, right? And BERBICE would have won 3 out of the 5. So BERBICE team, please come forward.
Present the Bella there, boy.
Bella, you win a trophy. Yes. Say you never win a trophy.
The winners. Alright. Where the BERBICE team there? Come on, welcome in the photo, boy. Come in the video.
The BERBICE. Well, these sportsmen enough to come and give me a challenge in our hometown. You understand?
No problem.
So we're looking forward for that.
No problem.
As all yes wants to win.
Soon.
After the 26th.
See them on the camera.
Yes.
Yeah, rematch back for the trophy.
Alright, so there we have it, fellas. Thank you everybody for coming out.
Picture there, boy.
Yeah, bye.